Alam mo ba na may bahay sa Cavite na mas mura pa sa kondo? Yes, 1.71 million house and lot ito. Bank foreclose at no bidding pa. This is a bank foreclose house and lot located at Bel Aldea Subdivision. Inner lot, as is where is. Perfect para sa first-time buyers at gusto magkaroon ng sariling bahay sa Cavite. Here are the property details. Lot area, 41.47 square meter. Floor area 44.75 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Dalawang CR, mas convenient para sa pamilya. Selling price, 1,710,000 only. Reservation fee, 20,000. Sa presyong ito, sobrang bihira na makakita ng house and lot sa Cavite. Quick computation, 20% down payment, 342,000. 80% bank home loan, 1,368,000. Monthly amortization depends sa bank approval at loan term. Bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Important, this is no bidding, basta walang kasabay, ikaw ang winner. Once taken, wala nang next chance. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now bago maunahan. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!